light to work. So this is August 8th, and I haven't done an update because, like I said before, not much changes in a couple of days. So, but I thought I would let you see how my foot's doing, because I check it every day when I let it air out. And just so happens I'm looking at it now again. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm healing up pretty well. I'll turn the camera on and show you. So there it is. It is. Looks like it's closing up. It was a bigger gap just yesterday. Yeah. And when I showed you from Friday, so I guess it was Friday, it is now Sunday, and it's healing up. It's not hurting as much. I'm starting to be able to sort of cut back on pain. It's still real tender and bruised, and that kind of swells up and goes down and goes back up, and ice and elevating. Got a little sore, probably from whatever they had put there. Anyway, yeah, that is how it's healing up quite well, I think. So we'll check back in a couple more days and show you how it's doing. And the puppies are tucked away in their little beds. Nighty-night. Okay, it's the next day. I thought I'd jump on here because I have a little hack that I came up, actually two. I'll show the other one in a little bit, but first, I've been talking about how much of a hassle it is to take the boot on and off. And yeah, I like to do it to air it out, but sometimes I take it off and then I figure out that 5 minutes later I have to get up for something. And so I have to put it all back on, do the air pump, everything, just to like use the restroom, whatever. So sometimes it doesn't seem like I'm going to have time to sit down and take the whole boot off. So, but I want some ice. So I found these little ice packs on my health savings account store, HSA store. In case you have a FSA card or an HSA card or MSA, there's a store specifically made for that stuff. There's some other ones. There's Shop Home Med, which I've had mixed experiences with. They're friendly mostly, but they tend to have delays. They don't communicate the delays or whatever. But Shop Home Med often has, and there's some other ones out there I've seen but haven't used, but they all sell like medical related items, ibuprofen, things like that. And I've been, I often need ice packs for all my back pain and stuff. And I had lost my other back pain ice packs that I usually use for situations like this too. So I ordered some more, and then I found these. Check these out. They're super cool. I have my boot on. I figured out I don't even need to take off my boot. I found these. They are ice packs, and they have a little, you can take this off. It tells you chill, peel, stick, and reseal. So it has a resealable adhesive thing that you can stick on. Or what I figured out I can do with these is I can just stick it right in there, actually this way, and then I just put it right, because I need to put it on top of my toes, not behind. It's too intense behind my foot. I mentioned that earlier. So I just take this and kind of put it down in there, and that gives me, and it helps compress it so it's colder. So that is how I cool put ice on my foot without taking off the boot. And then I have this one. It has a strap that I can put around my knee. So this is one. It's supposed to be so I can put it around my back. But I'm going to use it right now for my foot recovery, and I'll show you. So I just put it under, and I can stick it right inside. Uh-oh, it got stuck to me. I can stick it right in to the boot. Sorry, you have to stare at my knee. Okay, so that's in, kind of tucked in right there. And then I can strap it on. So I strap that to my knee. So if I want to get up and walk around. There's the ice pack strapped into my boot, around my knee, and one in my foot area on my foot. So that's my icing and elevation of my foot, which I'm supposed to do quite often until it heals. So yeah, there's a little tip. So find some little mini ice packs and stick them inside. You don't have to take off. I don't have to take all that off just to put ice on my foot. Okay. Oh, I need a little more light. I have to turn the light on. So I thought I would share this with you. It's like, oh, I was going to turn the camera back on after I got everything done. But I wanted to show you because I've opened up my boot. I can't get up to turn on the light to get more light. And I have a grabber, but my grabber's over there. So in order to I have to get creative. I have to lower the bed down. And then I have to reach for this in order to turn on the light. That's how I have to get creative to do things I can't otherwise do. And then I have to put there's no good place to put my grabber, so it kind of has to live there. I kind of have to get creative. Well, it won't. There we go. There. That. And now I gotta lift up the bed. This is what's nice about having an adjustable bed. You can just sit up. You can see the bed is going up. That's as far as it goes. Okay, now I have more lighting. You can see how this is coming along. More swelling has gone down. This is still pretty swollen, but that's where they did most of the work. It's right in here. So that'll take longer. But I'm starting to feel something weird right here. I'm getting the feeling back all in here. It doesn't really hurt to touch it anymore. So I've got my little ice packs. So I just have to take the back off, and then I can stick this one right here. And then I have a bigger one, and I take the backing off of that. Okay, and then I put the backing back on since it's just going to be sitting in here. I don't really like the adhesive stuff. It's weird. It feels weird. So if I don't need to take the backing off, I won't. So that one goes there. That one goes there. And now I can just kind of chill out like this for a few minutes while I ice these spots up. And we're coming along pretty good with this healing. We're gonna have another shower day today. Yeah, so this is another shower day. Every few days. Try to get in there. It's a lot of work. So I just had my breakfast coffee. I'm working on my second cup of coffee, and giving my foot a break from the boot, some air, and so I've been up doing breakfast and a little bit of kitchen cleanup, and I did my little bit of exercising in the other room with some of my physical therapy stuff, and now I'm taking a break before I go take a shower, because I'm not supposed to be up on it too long, and I think I keep pushing it, so I'll be back.